Hello there. Today's session we discuss different types of beam. So this video will help you to understand what is exactly beam and the different types. So this is my team is there. Dr. Mahesh Kalyan Shetty is our team leader. My colleague, Professor Chetan Konapure, and myself, Professor Bipin Patil, Department of Civil Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Now, first objective is what is exactly beam? So see, one figure is present here. There are two supports. This blue color indicates beam is there. Over this beam, distributed load is there. Another one, concentrated point load is there. And one axis they have mentioned here, that is nothing but your longitudinal axis. So one is roller support, another one is hinge support. So this beam is simply rested over these two supports. The distance between, or the center to center distance between these two supports gives you one type of span. The span of this beam users consider L meter. Now see what is exactly beam. Members that are slender and support loads applied in perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. If you observe this figure, all these loads are observed over this beam in perpendicular direction. So there are different types of beams are there. L beam is there, T beam is there. Okay, if you consider RCC section. Similarly, in steel section, same members are present there. We are considering the different angle sections. Now, we discuss regarding types of beams. This is first type of beam is simply supported beam. Why we call as simply supported beam? So the given beam in this figure is simply supported over two supports, or you just consider the beam is supported freely on the wall or column at its both ends is known as simply supported beam. If you observe this figure or this figure, the beam is simply rested over two supports. That's why we call as simply supported beam. Next one, overhanging beam. So see here, now this beam is firmly supported over two supports, but its one end is free from the support. It is projected beyond the support. That's why we call as overhang beam. There are two types of overhang beam. If you observe this figure, this is one side overhang beam. If same projected beyond the support, means another one hanging support is present in this support, so we call that both side overhang beam. Third one type, cantilever beam. So the beam is fixed at one end. Now see here, the beam is fixed at one end and it's free at the other end. Then we call as this is your cantilever beam. Now see, sometimes prop cantilever beam is there. So prop cantilever beam, one end is fixed and at other end one simple support is there. We call that prop cantilever beam. Now next support, that is nothing but your beam, fixed beam. In this, the beam is fixed at both ends. If you observe here, both ends are rigidly fixed. So such types of beam is called fixed beam. Now next, continuous beam is a beam supported on more than two support is known as continuous beam. Now if you observe here, more than two supports are present. Now here three supports are there and two spans are present. So such types of beams we call as continuous beam. So all these types of beams are simply rested over two supports, and according to the supports and according to the span, we just bifurcate which type of beam is there. So see my dear friends, in this video we have seen different types of beams. One is simply supported beam, next one cantilever beam, next one prop cantilever beam, then overhang beam is there, one side overhang, both side overhang, and last one fixed beam is there. So according to this, easily you can achieve what are the different types of beam and what is exactly beam is there. So this video will clarify your doubts regarding beam. Thank you friends.